sausage stuffed peppers, vegan, gluten-free, low sodium, all of the things. So we're going to start with rice. I have a cup of white rice and 2 cups of vegetable broth. And we're just going to bring that to a boil, but we're going to put this lid on it. And listen, we're not going to remove this lid. Don't you remove this lid now. We don't want to release the steam. So we're going to bring it to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer for like 18 minutes. And then we're going to pop off the tops of our peppers, take the innards out, the seeds, all that. We're going to put a little tiny bit of vegetable broth in the bottom, covered up aluminum foil, kind of give it some steam, put it in a 400-degree oven, pre-cook those peppers for basically until we're done everything else, right? And then in pan number 3, we're going to just saute an onion down a little bit. I'm using half a package of the Impossible ground sausage, not a whole package because I'm like cutting down on like money and sodium and like calories, but you can do a whole package. About 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and then I have half a bag of peas and carrots left over from my fried rice. We have that beautiful rice once it's done. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning and half a teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper, chili flakes, and then about a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Mix that shit together, make a station, put that in there, right? Easy peasy. And then shove some vegan cheese on top, put it on broil, and look it, we did it. Look at how beautiful, if it can focus. There we go. I cut it open. Look at, just look at it. Like the pepper, You guys, you have to pre-cook your peppers or else they're like super hard and crunchy and it's stupid. But that flavor, you don't need all that sodium, you guys. Fuck the sodium, you know what I mean? You just need flavors. You need some herbs and shit. So full written recipe will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Subscribe.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.